And Kristen here as we really explain this storm of historic proportions.
Yeah, because we're calling it a Category 5 because that's as far as the categorization goes. A Category 5 is considered a hurricane that has 157-mile-per-hour winds plus, well, Patricia has 200. If a Category 6 existed, which it certainly might after this storm, it would be a Category 6. And right now it is moving at 12 miles per hour, about 140 miles off the coast, bearing down on the Puerto Vallarta area, expected to make landfall this afternoon, likely more this evening. We're thinking about 8 p.m. is when we'll see it make landfall, and by then still a Category 5 hurricane with 150-mile-per-hour winds, possibly bringing 20 inches of rainfall to some portions of Mexico. And then it'll be heading off to Texas, bringing likely historic, potentially deadly flooding to that region as well. We in San Diego will not be seeing rain from this storm. I do want to let you know that. And coming up, I'll have your local forecast in about 6 minutes.